So the next paragraph, Devara Hospet, a village in Hangal Taluk in Dharwad district, is a place of pilgrimage for devotees of Shiva. So Devara Hospet, it is a village in Hangal Taluk in Dharwad district, okay, is a place of pilgrimage. Pilgrimage means Tirtha Yatra in Kannada, okay, for devotees of Shiva. Okay, there lived a pious couple named Revannaya and Siddhamma. In that village, there lived a pious couple. Pious means in dharmika pravratti avaru, okay, in Kannada. Couple named Revannaya and Siddhamma. Okay, so a boy was born to them on 3rd March 1914 in his mother's native place Devagiri near Karajagi in Haveri district. So the boy, who was the boy? Dr. Puttaraj Gawai. Okay, so he was born to them on 3rd March 1914 in his mother's native place, where Devagiri near Karajagi in Haveri districts. They named him Puttaya. So the child was very attractive with bright eyes. Okay, so the parents were very happy and their joy knew no bounds. So they were very happy. The child was very attractive with bright eyes. He has a bright eyes. So their parents were very happy and their joy knew no bound. There was no boundary about their joys. Okay, so but Providence had a different game to play. Providence means long sight. The boy's long sight had a different game to play. When Puttaya was not even 6 months old, his eyes become infected. See here what happened. When Puttaya was not even 6 months old, his eyes become infected. His eyes were infection. Okay, so the condition of the child aggravated and the mother tried various medicines suggested by native doctors. So the condition of the child aggravated means increased day by day, and the mother tried various medicines suggested by native doctors. One such suggestion proved to be deadly in his losing the eyesight at an early age. So he losing his eyesight at an early age. So this was a big blow to the family, and this was a big danger. Blow means danger to the family. So there was a sadness. Okay. So the next paragraph, misfortunes struck him in succession. So here misfortune means bad things. Shoot him. Struck means hode. Okay. So misfortune struck him in succession. In the serial wise, there was a bad things happened in his life. Okay. Puttaya lost his father when he was just 2. When he was 2 years old, his father was left, or his father was died. Okay. So that was a bad thing for him. Okay. So his maternal uncle Chandrasekharaya took him under his care. So his maternal uncle means Sodara Mama in Kannada. Okay. So his maternal uncle Chandrasekharaya took him under his care. Then came to turning point in the life of Puttaya. So then came a turning point in the life of Puttaya. Okay. So one day Chandrasekharaya had been to his field. One day Chandrasekharaya went to his field. Okay. So the boy Puttaya was very sure that nobody was nearby. So the boy Puttaya was very sure that nobody was nearby in the house. So he took his uncle's harmonium, and so he took his uncle's harmonium and sat down to play on it, and he started to sat down to play on it. After some times returning home, Chandrasekharaya heard from a distance someone playing his harmonium. So when after some times when his uncle returning home, he heard from a distance that someone playing his harmonium. So he instantly flew into a rage. So he instantly flew into a rage. Rage means missed call or bayu in Kannada, bayodu. Okay. So he instantly means immediately. Okay. He immediately flew into a rage. He could not tolerate others handling his harmonium. So he could not tolerate that his harmonium holding others. Okay. So he came closer. To him. He was filled with wonder and delight when he heard the sweet melody on the harmonium. He was filled with wonder and delight. He was so happy when he heard the sweet melody on the harmonium. It was his nephew Puttaya. It was his nephew. Nephew means Sodaraliya in Kannada. Okay. So he was Puttaya. Tears of joy rolled down his cheeks. So tears of joy. He was so happy, and tears of joy rolled down his cheeks, and he embraced the boy. And he went and he embraced. Embraced means to hug the boy. Okay. So Puttaya's grasping power was a matter of wonder to Chandrasekharaya. So Puttaya's grasping power means to catch the things immediately. Okay. Puttaya's grasping power was a matter of wonder to Chandrasekharaya. The Puttaya was very intelligent boy, and he grasped everything. So the matter of wondering to Chandrasekharaya. He learnt everything about music. Puttaya learnt everything about music within a short time from his maternal uncle. So he learnt everything from his maternal uncle. But it was evident that there was in him an unquenchable thirst for knowledge. So Puttaya was in him an unquenchable thirst. Unquenchable means that which cannot be satisfied. Okay. So thirst for knowledge. He was a vast knowledge. He had a vast knowledge. Okay. The uncle thought of a competent teacher to teach him. So his uncle wanted a competent teacher. Competent means eligible teacher to teach him. So he thought that a eligible teacher should be teach him. Okay.